Hello friends, today is another episode of Jonfosty Academy Mathematics lesson. In today's episode, we're going to look at pre-algebra. Pre-algebra is a topic in mathematics that is posing challenges to some children. Therefore, we want to deal with it in this episode. Before we proceed, let's look at the expression 5x plus 7 equals 27. We need to understand what we call each of these numbers and letters. The first number here is 5, and we say 5 is coefficient of x. Is the coefficient of the variable x. X stands for variable. Y plus sign stands for operator. 7 and 27 stands as constants. And all of us knows what is equal sign. In algebra, you will make use of some basic operations such as plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign, and division sign. Example of an expression in algebra is 3x plus 5 equals 17. Let's look at what is algebra. Algebra, this is a type of mathematics question where letters of alphabet are used to represent unknown numbers. Algebra represents problems in form of mathematical expressions and make use of variables such as x, y, z, or any other letters. Example, find the value of x in equation below. 3x plus 5 equals 20. In the above equation, x is an unknown variable. 3 is coefficient of x, while 5 and 20 remain the constant number. For us to solve this question, we need to rewrite it again. 3x plus 5 equals 20. Then we need to find out a number we can use to eliminate 5 on both sides to enable us stand 3x alone. So we said since plus 5 is here, we are going to introduce minus 5 on both sides. When we minus 5 from both sides, it will allow us to solve for x easily. So 3x plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 20 minus 5. We now solve for plus 5 minus 5. It will give us 0. We bring down 3x and solve for 20 minus 5, which will give us 15. We further divide both sides by 3 to enable us get the value of x. When you divide 3x over 3, you will have x as your answer. And when you divide 15 by 3, you will have 5 as the value of x. So our final answer remains 5. 5 is the value of x in this equation. Let us solve for m in equation below. Question number 1. The question says m plus 20 equals 30. Find the value of m. Solution, we rewrite our question as usual. M plus 20 equals 30. Minus 20 from both sides of this equation, and m plus 20 minus 20 will be equals to 30 minus 20. You see, because in our expression 1 plus 20, we introduce minus 20 to enable us eliminate this 20 on this side. And when we do that, m will stand alone. And when we solve for the other side of equation, 30 minus 20, we will get 10. On this note, we will say the value of m is equals to 10. Question number 2, x plus 2 equals 5. Find the value of x. To solve this question, we rewrite our question. X plus 2 equals 5. Minus 2 from both sides of the equation, you will eliminate 2 from the left-hand side of the equation, and you will be able to find the value of x for solving for 5 minus 2. So we'll say x plus 2 minus 2 equals 5 minus 2. You find out that plus 2 minus 2 will give you 0. You bring down your x and bring down equal sign, and you solve 5 minus 2, you got 3. Our final answer remains 3, so the value of x in this equation is 3. We go to our next question. Let's solve for y in equation below. Question number 1. Y plus 20 equals 30. Find the value of y. We start by rewriting our expression. Y plus 20 equals 30. Because in this expression, we have plus 20 as one of the constant number in the left side, and 30 are on the right side. We minus 20 from both sides to enable us make y to stand alone. Y plus 20 minus 20 equals 30 minus 20. When we solve for this side of equation, plus 20 minus 20 will give you 0. You bring down y and you bring down your equal sign. Then you solve 30 minus 20 on the right hand side, you got 10. Therefore, the value of y in this equation is equals to 10. And 10 remain our final answer. We go to question number 2. X plus 2 equals 5. Find the value of x. For us to solve this question, still in the same pattern and the same method of finding our solution, we have plus 2 equals 5 in this equation. So plus 2, for us to eliminate this 2 in the left-hand side, we introduce minus 2 to both sides of this equation. So minus 2 from both sides of this equation, you will get x plus 2 minus 2 equals 5 minus 2. X is equals to 3, because when we minus plus 2 minus 2, when we do plus 2 minus 2, we get 0. We'll bring that x and we'll bring that equal sign, and we'll solve 5 minus 2 to get 3. And 3 is the value of x in this equation. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Jonfosty Academy. Follow us on Facebook at Jonfosty Academy. Follow us on TikTok at Jonfosty Academy. See you in our next lesson. Bye.